Welcome to QG Software. In this video, we will see how to make loan proposals. Company profile. Describe brief history of your company, like date of incorporation, market structure, along with your own market share, key customers. You can divide customer either area-wise, or you can divide it into national and international customers. Give brief information about your future expansion and major projects to be taken in future. Management experience. Describe the experience and qualification and skills of owner and management team. This will show strength of management team. Loan request. State the amount of total money needed and the purpose for which the money is needed. It could either be for the purchase of fixed asset, or it could be either for the purpose of working capital. It will help to determine the nature of the loan. If it's for fixed asset, then long-term loan could be given, and if it's for working capital, then short-term loan is given by the bank. Loan repayment. Prepare a loan repayment schedule showing the amount of interest and principal repayment to be made over the period of the time. Calculate interest on the basis of interest rate which has been agreed with the bank. In case it's a cross-border loan, then inflation rate of the both country will be applicable. Collateral is the security against which loan will be provided by the bank. Collaterals are usually land or building or fixed asset or shares in other company which you will pledge to the bank for the purpose of the loan. Usually the amount of loan is less than the amount of collateral. Usually it's about 70 to 80% of the amount of collateral. Financial statements. Financial statements include balance sheet, income statement or profit and loss account, cash flow statement for last 3+ years. It differs from country to country. If your business is already in existence, then financial statement for 5-year backward and 5-year forward from the current date is included. If it's a new organization, then financial statement for 5 years forward will be included. Financial projection. It's actually cash flow projection. You should show cash flow projection for at least 5-year forward and 5-year backward from the current date if your organization is already in existence. If it's a new organization, then cash flow projection will be projected for 10 years forward. Other items to be included are copies of lease or proposal, franchise agreement, purchase agreement, article of association or partnership agreement, copies of business license or registration, or copies of contract.